Here we go. And click on Add, and that gets added to my panel, my swatches panel. Okay, so that's another way to do it. From this little menu here, you can choose New Color Swatch, and you can add a color that way. Okay, and anything you have in your panel you can work with then. Alright, so here I've got my box. Alright, so we're talking about the colored box that you want to put some text in. Well, take a look at what's going on with your type, or my type. Okay, the type is being covered up by the box. Whenever you have this kind of relationship, you want to get the type to flow around the object, the box. Okay, so what you're going to use is a text wrap. I'm going to go up to the window menu, and I'm going to come down and choose text wrap, and that gives me a little panel to control how the text is going to run around this object. Okay, the very first icon is no text wrap. There's no run around at all. Alright, notice my box is selected. If I click on the second icon, it says wrap around bounding box. So it's going to wrap around the outside edges of my box here. Okay, these little fields down here that are set to 0 are the amount of space between the box and the text. So I want to increase that. As long as this little chain is complete and not broken like that, if it's complete, I can click on one of these up arrows and all of the values will increase. If it's broken, that means I have to change each dimension individually. Okay? So if you want different spacing around the edges of your box, you can do it. But if you want them all the same, leave the little chain complete, leave it whole, and then you can just increase or decrease the amount of space that way. Okay, so we're going to put our box here. Okay. And our text is wrapping around the box. Okay, so we can do that. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm going to go up to the Object menu, show all menu items. Okay, let's see. Content. Right now this box is unassigned. There's nothing in it. I'm going to choose text. I want to put text inside this gray box. Okay, I'm going to get my text tool, and I'm going to click inside the gray box, and I'm going to start typing. Okay, so I have text, or we can just go up to the Type menu and choose Fill with Placeholder Text. Okay, so we'll fill it up, just so we have something to work with. Okay, so what are we going to do with the text that's in here? Well, it doesn't look good when it's touching the sides. Okay, so I'm going to select all of the text by going to the Edit menu and choosing Select All. And because my cursor was in that text box, it just selects all the text in